Hello guys, today we're here. My dad bought me this Lego for 400 Turkish lira, and the outside of the box looks so good. Like, this is looking good. I think this piece is old, but this rubber with a skateboard is so cool. And there's some new piece I didn't get, like this piece right here, and $100, and a handcuff, and a crowbar, and this bag, and a skateboard. So then we have a bank too. I didn't have all of those parts, but let's open this Lego up. So it starts like here, like push. It says push. Oh, now I know. Okay. Ooh, I never had this piece. And guys, this is box number 1, and this is box number 2. Let's take the piece out. And we got 2 of these books. So it says bag number 1. Okay, let's open bag number 1. And the cool thing it shows how to open this Lego up. So let's open it up. Okay, take the piece out. And okay, so this is the hair piece that I didn't have. And I have this piece too, like this glass too, but I just lost it. So where is the head? So this is the head I didn't ever get. And these are the rims, the wheels, and the kilometer. Ooh, I didn't have this piece, but in videos, a lot of videos, like one piece tank is like this piece. So let's open the book. So page number 1. We got these, like this, the person, like the police. Then we got the handcuffs and the head. Let's attach it together. Yes. Okay, now the helmet. It says attach the glass to the helmet, but we did it already. So here we go. It's starting to come up, and the handcuffs, which is in the left arm, which is I can put it any arm that I want. Let's put this piece. Guys, I think my most annoying thing is this piece and putting it together, because it's so hard to put it together. And let's try it. Doesn't work. Well, maybe later. So we got these pieces, which is the base of the motor. So I think we need this parts to attach it together, because these things perfectly. So let's open up page 2. So for page 2, we got an hair, which is, where is that? Oh, it is here. Oh, there's a piece. Okay. So where's that stick? Got the part found and another. I think there's a flashlight. Yeah, I think there's a flashlight. It reminds to me like a flashlight. Oh, I forgot the legs. Haha, sorry. So, okay, this thing is done. Let's take the helmet out of bald woman. Then she got in hair. Nice. So let's look at this. Okay, this piece says hold it like this. Okay, took that piece. Then we need this piece and another of this piece, which is a thing that I don't know. So basically we gotta attach this, the third stud, the second, and let's put the barbecue piece, which is that's called. Okay, let's get of these two. So let's attach it right here. It says, let's get the second one. And okay, it says now, gotta take the rims, put the, oh, attach this, which is gonna be hard. Ooh. Ooh. Yes. Got piece number 1. Wait. Oh yeah, it is. Okay guys, it's been a while that I finished. And this is a rubber which came like this, looks so cool. And $100, which is in his bag. Then we got a safe in here, and he is wanted here. The same guy, and his crowbar is here. And he left another $100, but the police is after him. Like this. Like in the book. Okay guys, how did you guys like it? Goodbye guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.